Hey guys, this is the last video of the series for the new Tempus Pro monitor. So the last thing that I want to show you guys are some of the things on the touch screen that I touched on in the other videos, but I really want to get a little more in depth on what you can do with this. So one of the big ones is on your blood pressure. If you look above where it says start, right there it says manual. So we know that unstable patients every 5 minutes, stable patients every 15 minutes. So what we can do is we can actually hit that, and then we can put right underneath start is auto. So we can put auto, and we can put how frequently we want vital signs to be taken. 5, 3, 2, 2 is the least, and then it can go all the way up to, I believe, 60 minutes. Yep. Okay, so you can set that. Then once you set that, you press start. Okay, and then it's going to start cycling your blood pressure every 5 minutes. So this also shows what it's going to initially inflate to, and then how it shows it. So systolic over diastolic, and then M for your mean. So you can see everything that's in here. If you can turn on and off your NIBP, your blood pressure alarms. You can look at all the alarms that you have, what they all look like, and then you can also look at your trends from that. So you can make adjustments like that in every single menu. So if I were to go in here and pulse, I can actually change my rates. I can change which waveform I want to look at. My heart rate or pulse source is EKG or pulse. I can look at my gain. I can view my 12 lead from here. It shows you arrhythmia analysis. This is a lot of stuff that I know that a lot of us aren't going to have to worry about. But I just want to show you some of these other menus on the touch screen. Pacemaker indication, we can turn that on. So if there's a pacemaker, it will indicate it. You can actually have a volume so you can hear it if you want to hear it. And again, that's every single screen. I can turn my SpO2 limits to a different size. I can put what my sensitivity is. Everything that you want to do. If you want to make any adjustments, you can just hit on that box, and it will show you, and it will let you change the options on that box. And that's even to the point where you can change, again, which waveform you're looking at, how you want to look at your pleth wave, what alarms you have. Everything is changeable on the screen. Most of the things we will not have to touch. Everything should be set up already, and is set, I shouldn't say should be, excuse me, is set up already to where it needs to be, where if the rate's too high, too low, everything like it's going to alarm for us. The biggest thing that I want to show you guys is this function, this auto and manual function. So you can set that, turn it on, hit start, and just let it run. And it will just constantly cycle its own blood pressure. So say we're running a code, we need blood pressures, hit that to auto, turn it, hit start, and it's going to cycle itself through every 5 minutes. The last few things you can see on here are the time and the battery is up here in the upper left-hand corner. You can see the Bluetooth sign when it's Bluetooth capable. There is your cellular signal. It also has Wi-Fi capabilities. And then any alarms you're going to see are going to come up right here in this top right-hand corner. So that's it. That's all I've got for the monitor. I'm going to have to make separate videos. The AED is not built into the monitor. The AED is a totally separate unit that we can take on a code. So you remember the code that we worked a while ago, and this was brought in, this monitor was brought in. It was brought in after the fact because we needed the CO2 monitoring capabilities. The AED runs completely separate from it. So you can take the AED in and run a code entirely from that and not have to worry about using this monitor for anything. So again, guys, if you have any questions, if anything's confusing, please send me a text message, send me an email, give me a phone call. I'll answer any questions you have. And always, please go down to the station. This will be at the station, and play with it. Touch it, use it, figure it out so you can get comfortable with it. All right, guys. Thanks. Take care.